Hey you guys, SEK the Homesteader here. Okay family, so I decided to do away with my squash patch that has been suffering due to heat, exhaustion, and also invaders of my deers. This is the worst season that I have ever had within my 4 years of growing squash, and it is disappointing. I did sow a variety of squash, probably about maybe 7 different types of squash. And if you guys have been with me for the past 4 years, y'all know that Essie can grow some squash. So right now, it's looking like it's not gonna come back, Queen Sue. Queen Sue, I know you said I had another harvest, but this don't look like another harvest, boo-boo. So what I'm gonna do is clean out most of the raised beds where I definitely can see where the vine borers have taken a toll on them, as well as the devastation that the deers did create by snapping off my heads and hindering their growth. So I got a little patty over there. One patty, you guys. So I'm thinking about actually going inside my right side raised bed area and possibly sowing some squash seeds in there. But for right now, I just don't think this is gonna bounce back in a lot of places. The vine borers are definitely out there. The spider mites, whatever you want to call them, they are definitely out there going to town. So I don't really see any like really strong ones that I can actually say are going to bounce back. Now I have one that's coming in over here that may get stronger. There's one right here that just started. She may get stronger. So I'm just gonna have to just pick my way through my squash patch area, and maybe I can save 1 or 2 of my plants. But for right now, it's looking pretty hopeless right now. So I'm gonna examine them at the bottom of their roots to see if I see holes and the vine borers in there. Like, see, this one look like it's pretty much done. That one may have some hope. It don't look like they invaded that one too much. So hopefully I will be able to get some type of squash this season. But like I said, I think I'm going to go into my right side where I had those raised beds resting, because I'm going to be transforming that area, especially throughout the 4 months. So I still have 3 beds that I can grow in. So I think I'm going to try that. I don't even think I really want to. There's this part of me that want to reseed it, but then there's this part of me that don't. Because I don't know, the heat took a toll on it, the deer took a toll on it, the vine borers. Oh man, this is definitely my worst season of my squash patch. Yeah. So I'm just gonna clear this all out, you guys. Look, I got one. I forgot the name of this squash, but I really was looking forward to this one right here. And I only got one, you guys. So let me get to cleaning these out, and I will definitely bring you guys some updates on which bed I'm going to go into as far as the right side of the grow area. And I definitely keep you guys posted on where I sow some more seeds, but they'll probably be inside the fence area to keep the deers from messing with them. All right, you guys, I hope everybody's having a wonderful harvest. I know in some places people's gardens are suffering, and I know the heat. This is a combination of heat, exhaustion, lack of rain, deers, and those vine borers. So let me get to cleaning these out, you guys. This is SEK. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.